I'm standing here in the beginning phases of a curbless shower design. Many people ask me what's involved with making a shower curbless, and they don't really understand the process. In order to make a curbless shower in Florida, we usually have a concrete slab. So we need to cut that slab out and remove it. And then as you can see here, we recess a new slab down about 7 inches from the top of the existing concrete slab. We do put rebar in there to reinforce it and make sure that concrete is not going to move or crack or anything, and transfer that cracking up through the new tile. Eventually we'll be coming back in here with a shower pan liner and pouring a mortar bed, and that mortar bed will come up where it's exactly even with the top of this slab. After we tile, you will have a curbless shower entry with no curb between the shower and the rest of the bathroom floor. For more information on curbless shower designs, go to TampaKitchenandBath.com.